Hey YouTube, Miss Chandler 27, and I'm coming to you in my laundry room. Just wanted to show you all a quick fix, literally in real time. I got 4 minutes left on my spin cycle. As you can see, it's on high and it's spinning. 4 minutes for the Samsung top loader washer machine. If you have a model like this model is a pain in the behind. I literally could only wash 2 loads a day because it will always spin and then stop and give me a DC error because the drum is off balance. So literally I have to keep stopping it. You know, it would stop and then I have to keep restarting it because of the drum being off balance. So I have a quick fix. As you can see, it's still spinning. It's on. I got 3 minutes left. I got a quick fix for it. If you know anybody with this model or with a top loader from Samsung, once it stopped, I'm on 3 minutes now. I'm gonna come back when it's a minute left and then open it and show you all how I fixed that whole issue with the drum going off balance and giving you that DC error, so you can continue to wash your clothes in peace. Okay guys, we're at 2 minutes. I'll be back when it's a minute left. Okay guys, I'm back. We have 1 minute left. I'm actually on the spin cycle and it is spinning currently on high with 1 minute left. It has not stopped. It has not gave me that DC error due to the drum being off balance. And so it looks like we have a good outcome. So I'm going to wait. Okay. All right. So it's ending now and it's unlocking. And here's my secret. As you can see, my clothes are around the drum. And as you can see, I have a pillow here. So what I did was stuff a pillow behind the drum area to stabilize it and keep it from moving so much. I didn't stuff it all the way back. I stuff it enough where I still have some control to pull it out if I needed to. Now this part does not affect the drum spinning. The drum spins on its own, as you can see. I'm spinning it with my own hands and the pillow is still intact. So this is my little secret to fix this problem with this DC error, so I can get a full load of clothes completed and I don't have to keep starting the washer over and over and over and over. And as you can see, it's completely went off on its own because the cycle is done. So once again, you have this Samsung. There's a lot of reviews on this thing being a piece of junk. And I actually was feeling the same way, and I was really sick of it and actually contemplating getting something different. But it's, you know, still